Thank you very much, Mindful Moving.
Thank you, Mindful Moving. Moving can be stressful, but you guys made it so easy for us.
Mindful Moving. They did a great job for me today. Mindful Moving and Storage, 10 out of 10 service.
They moved very fast.
Me and Eddie were a great help, a great team.
I would 100% recommend Eddie and Dave.
They just made my life so much easier.
Dimitri and Kevin did a great job.
The guys were absolutely amazing.
Good job, guys. Thank you so much.
Professionals, fast, took care of everything, and truly made a best moving experience.
A lot of stuff, and everything got on time with the estimate also.
Guys did an amazing job. They were quick and seamless, and I would recommend them to anybody looking to move.
Serious business. They work fast.
It was absolutely hassle-free.
They're seamless, very reliable, and trustworthy.
Thank you very much.
They did a great job. They were amazing. Thank you so much.
It was really a great job, and thank you so much for making it very
Great customer service, highly recommended.
They did awesome job.
Job went very smooth, and I would highly recommend
Nothing
them
was
again.
broken.
Thanks to Dinesh, thanks to Dimitri, thanks to Kay.
I would like to thank Eddie and David.
And the guys are awesome. They were great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Dimitri was nice, and Dinesh on the phone, he's great too.
I'll definitely use them again.
And I recommend them 100%. I highly recommend them.
They crushed it.
Thank you so much for making this new year very happy for us.
Okay, so thank you Mindful Moving for an amazing job you guys did today.
I give double thumbs up and 10-star rating to them.
2 thumbs up.
100% thumbs up.
5-star and thumbs up rating.
2 thumbs up, 5-star rating for these guys.
Amazing job, 5-star.
You guys rock and 10 star from us.